Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download Youper AI application on your smartphone, whether it is an Android or iOS. First of all, go ahead and open up your Google Play Store or your App Store from your mobile device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Go to the search box at the top and type in Youper. Look for this application from Youper Inc. Tap the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your smartphone. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will be able to download the app. Tap on Open to start up the application on your mobile device. Now that you have the app, you can go ahead and start your journey towards emotional wellness. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.